Hello and welcome to this episode of SwellPro Outdoors. In this episode, I put the SwellPro 4 drone up in the rain.
Like a bird on a tree.
It is strange flying a drone in the rain,
I'm just sitting here.
but the picture quality is quite good.
I got time.
So have a look at this. If you like this sort of stuff, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.
The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free.
If you'd like to support SwellPro Outdoor, we have some merchandise. We have light blue fishing shirts, dark blue fishing shirts, light pink fishing shirt, dark pink fishing shirts, camo fishing shirts, tie-dye fishing shirts. I also have dog tags, multiple colours of dog tags. I also have tumblers, multiple colours of tumblers. Also have can coolers, multiple colours of can coolers. And we also have some caps. Go to the SwellPro Outdoor store and take a look. Thank you.